In this video, we're diving into the creation of a 1,000-word blog post about Drupal. We'll be organizing it into approximately 10 sections, complete with headings and subheadings. And to wrap things up, we'll include a little section looking ahead to Drupal 12, which is slated for release in 2026. To ensure everything is on track, we'll acknowledge that Drupal 12 is a future version. Let's get started by clicking Generate. Currently, the system is conducting web research. Instead of jumping straight into writing, you'll notice additional status updates indicating some planning and analysis happening beforehand, thanks to the AI Long Writer Agent framework. Now, we're moving into the writing phase. Welcome to the future of Drupal. It appears the prompts are quite sensitive to the wording used. Since I requested a final section on the Drupal 12 release, this might influence the overall tone of the article. This approach is actually quite intriguing. As we can see, the Long Writer framework is effectively fulfilling its promise of generating comprehensive content. I appreciate that the structure is taking shape. Of course, the placeholder images will need to be swapped out for real image assets. Drupal has consistently focused on the role of the site builder, so it's fitting to include a dedicated section on this. CK Editor includes AI-driven tools. If you choose, you can also utilize our CK Editor AI Agent module for additional support. Great, we've reached our final section about Drupal 12, and it looks fantastic. As always with AI-generated content, everything is editable right away, allowing for further refinement either manually or with AI assistance. This feature makes the workflow quite powerful. We've only spent a few minutes on this blog post and already have a solid structure filled with ideas. Of course, it's important to read through and fact-check all of the content. However, our web researcher layer is highly advanced, so I expect the information to be accurate. And there you have it. Those are the 3 ways we create brand new content using DXPY Builder's AI features.